Sales graphics and teasers, visuals for your book. While you may have needed a graphic designer to create your book cover, once you have the file, you can create graphic images for teasers, sales, ads, and more that you can use on social media, in group events, and in your newsletter. Yes, even if you have zero design skills, a few things before we get started. Beginner tips. Pay attention to what other authors are doing for their images. What grabs your eye? What makes you want to find out more about the book? I have several folders on my computer for this kind of thing. One for cover comps, one for sales images that I admire, and another with shiny ideas. We'll talk about those in another lesson. Getting started. If you're super skilled in graphic design, use Photoshop. If you're comfortable online and have a decent eye, try Canva. If you don't already have an account, they have a free plan. If you're brand new and not so savvy with this, hey, you wrote a book, so we give you much respect. Visit BookBrush. This is similar to Canva, but they have ready-made templates where users can simply add their book cover and text. If you're more of a smartphone person, there are several free photo editing apps that you could use instead. You'll need the logline or a couple of sentences from your book, the book cover image, sales dates if applicable. If you're using Photoshop, kudos, you're my new hero, but I cannot help you. Kidding. Keep reading because the following applies. We'll start with Canva. Part 1. Open up a template size option. I usually go with the Facebook template, but you can use whatever size you like. You want to choose a background. I recommend something that's not too busy but goes with your book's theme. Upload your book cover and add it. You can have it inserted into an e-reader template using this program, DIYbookcovers.com/mockups. It's free. Canva Part 2. Add some text and use a font that coordinates with your theme as well as a color that complements the fonts on your cover, but also doesn't blend into the background. Add any additional items like an element with buy now or on sale now or only 99 cents. Hint: studies have shown that red and white sales graphics are the most eye-catching, so consider using red and white in your buy now or on sale now graphic. If you're using BookBrush, you'll follow a similar process, but the program will walk you through it. It can also create videos, and it is pretty amazing. 2 teaser tips. Don't blast your feeds with these images, but they're great when you do have a sale or new release and want to request retweets or shares from your reading team, author friends, include in your newsletter, during holiday events, promos, etc. Also, don't forget to include the buy link back to your book in your posts. I've done this. Still, feel unsure about how to create these images? Keep an eye out for other authors in your genre. See what they're doing. Save your favorite images to use as inspiration for your own. With time and practice, you'll be an image-making pro too.